So question 16 says to find r of x is equal to f of x times g of x, where we have f of x and we're given a rational expression, and we have g of x and we're given another rational expression. So we're really doing the exact same thing as we've been doing before, except for they're just phrasing it now with functional notation. So I'm really just multiplying these two. And then to simplify this, we need to factor everything. So the top left can be factored to be x minus 5 and x plus 4. The bottom left, what two numbers multiply together to give you negative 10, but add together to give you negative 3. That would be negative 5 plus 2. The top right, what two numbers multiply together to give you 10, but add together to give you 7. That would be 5 and 2. And then the bottom right, what two numbers multiply together to give you negative 5, but add together to give you positive 4. That would be plus 5 and minus 1. So anything on the top, either top, that match up with anything on the bottom, either bottom, you want to cancel out. So we have the x minus 5s, we have the x plus 5s, and we have the x plus 2s. So the only thing that's left on top is the x plus 4, and the only thing that's left on the bottom is the x minus 1. And I like to put the parentheses, but you don't have to.